Good evening, everyone. My name is Ken Pusakyan. I'm here to do design lab number 4, multiplexer and demoplexer. But in the activity proper, you only have to do multiplexer. Here it is, design a 2-to-1 multiplexer with enable pin. Design portable multiplexer using 2-to-1 multiplexer. And design 16 to 1 multiplexer using 8 to 1 multiplexer. So, so for task 4, design a circuit using 8 to 1 multiplexer that activates the alarm when it detects if two or more is high. Sensors are connected to the select lines of the multiplexer. And task 5, prototype your design in Tinkercad. So let's go to Simulink. Here's my 2-to-1 circuit right here. Doesn't have an enable pin yet, but this is the 2-to-1 multiplexer. So let's go to creating this is the 2-to-1 IC multiplexer right here. So let's start. So this is the here by combining three 2-to-1 multiplexer, and we have created here 4-to-1 multiplexer. So this is a 4-to-1 multiplexer. So now for the other one is to create a 8-to-1 multiplexer using two 4-to-1 multiplexer. And by using 2-to-1 multiplexer connected to a 2-to-1 multiplexer. So let's go to here. This right here is a 8-to-1 multiplexer by connecting four multiplexer right here. So this is the 8-to-1 multiplexer. So for the other one, using 8-to-1, using 8-to-1 multiplexer to create a 2-to-1, I mean 16-to-1 multiplexer. So this is the 16-to-1 multiplexer using 8-to-1. So let's try simulating. So, because this is all one, the input or the output should be one. Oops. So the output is one, even though in the select, if you create, if you put a 0 on one of the selection or the S here, it's still going to be one. So let's try another one. All of this is 0, but it still equals to 1. So let's try in the inputs or the I. These are the inputs. So let's start here. Let's try to get a 0. If we can get a 0. all of the inputs are 0, and all of the selection are 0 also. So let's turn back into 1. We can make a 1. Spot in the eyes. Here. So the selection all has to be 1. So here is a 16 to 1 multiplexer. So let's go in creating 8 to 1 multiplexer activating alarm. So let's go here. This I copied only this and create when I created the 2 to 1, creating a 4 to 1, and creating the 8 to 1. So this is an 8 to 1 multiplexer. But in creating what you call this, an alarm. So let's try it out. So it says here 2 or more is high. Sensors are connected to the select lines of the multiplexer. That means in the S. So even if this is 0 in the S, 1 still should be 1. That means it's high. Here, that means it's high. So if this is 0, let's try if it's going to work. Still, so here we go. Depending on the input also, it's going to be 0. So let's try it to be 1. So 2 or more should be high. So it's high. Well, here, so let's zero the input here. So, so it means in the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's greater than the selection. So it's supposed to be 0. So it should be 2 or more that is high. 2 or more high. So everything. So let's try this one. There, it's, it's going to be 1. So that's the 8 to 1 multiplexer. So for the next one, let's go to the Tinkercad. So for this is the 8 to 1 multiplexer. Let's go to the Tinkercad. So this is a 8 to 1 multiplexer. So let's try it out. Start simulating. As you can see, it's all on or 1 1 1. It's gonna be 1 here. The lid is on. Let's try turning off 0. Because all of the inputs are 0, but the selects are all 1, it's going to be 0. So let's try turning on some. There we go. It turned on. It's the same as the Simulink as we did. Yeah, two S1 two S1 are on, and four inputs are on. It's going to be, oh, the lead is on. So let's try turning up one. So even though the selection is off, the lead is still on. So let's try another. Oh, in selection 2, it turned off the lead. It's the same also with in the Simulink. So let's try turning others. Here we go. It's now on again. So as you can see, the simulation is the same as in the Simulink. So what did I learn? So multiplexer has a purpose. It makes it possible to focus on several inputs to share in one device. So it mostly uh, give out or give out transmission in medium. So that's it. So more, I still need to learn more on how to create this simulation or how to create a rapport or on how to create this. So I need to learn more on how to connect it on different things and how can I apply it on a technological level or in an engineering level. So I'm learning the basics and other stuff. So that's it, and thank you.